Today we will do the exercise 4.6. From this figure we will identify the followings. Question 1a, the center of the circle. Here the center of the circle is O. Here the center of the circle is O. O is the center of the circle. 3 ready. We all know that radius is a line segment connecting the center to a point on the circle. So here OA, OB, OF are all radius of the circle. Therefore 3 ready. Of the circle are OA, OB, OF. Next question 1C, a diameter. Here we see that AF is the diameter of the circle. Therefore AF is the diameter of the circle. Next question, a chord. We all know that chord is a line segment that joins 2 points on the circle. Clearly we see that DE is a chord that joins the points D and E, and the points D and E are on the circle. Therefore the chord of the circle is DE. Next, 2 points in the interior. 2 points in the interior O and P, because the points O and P are into the circle. Therefore 2 points in the interior are O and P. A point in the exterior. A point in the exterior is because this point is outside of the circle. This point is outside of the circle. Next, a sector. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc and a pair of radii is called the sector of the circle. So this portion is called the sector of the circle because this is enclosed by the arc BF and the radius BO and OF. This portion is called the sector of the circle. Next, a segment. We all know that a segment is a region interior of a circle enclosed by the chord ED and the arc ED. This is called the segment. So this portion is called the segment of the circle. Next, question 2a. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord because diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. Diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. So, every diameter is a chord. Next. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, every chord of a circle is not a diameter because here DE is a chord but it is not the diameter because it does not pass through the center of the circle. Question 4. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. If we draw two diameters AF and AG, we will see that the diameters will intersect at the point O, at the center of the circle. So, two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. The center of a circle is always in its interior. True, because the center of a circle is always in the circle. So, O is the interior point of the circle. In the next class, we will discuss another chapter. Thank you, students.